What's up, fam? Let me give you some tips on making more money in lawn care. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. So today I want to give you some tips on how you can make more money in lawn care. But first, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and please like the video. I am a person who wants to give out this information for free, but it does cost you a little something. Yeah, like a like and subscribe. Go ahead and do that for me because I am here to educate you in order for you to cut on. So fam, number 4, know the difference between lowballing and filling your schedule. Lowballing is when you are feeling desperate and you take the yard and you know you should be charging more. See, if you don't understand your numbers and you go out and do things based upon your emotions, you will find yourself going out of business real quick because this equipment has an expiration time on it and you need to make sure that you can recoup enough money to keep cutting on. So you gotta know the difference between lowballing and filling your schedule. For example, I know that when it comes to filling my schedule, I'm looking for a commercial route, something that I can be there a long period of time because I'm not driving around. So if I understand that, I look for commercial for my lowballing. In other words, I know there's a lot of competition out there, so I look for those type of business to fill my schedule up. And what's so good about it is that a lot of times you can keep cutting on in the fall and the winter. Number 3, I don't run around doing estimates no more. I know my minimum costs based upon whether or not you're going to get a service from me. As far as cleanups, like people will call you to do a cleanup. My minimum charge for a cleanup is $225. If I can't come out to your yard and cut your yard, do your hedges or whatever, and it's a $225, I don't want you unless you're gonna sign up with me to do bi-weekly services. This is how I get down. This has saved me a lot of time going out doing quotes for tire kickers. So please put this in your repertoire. The number 2 thing I've done this year that made me more money in lawn care, believe it or not, I have put people under contracts. Yes, it's already made me more money because some people have canceled, not because of bad service. I don't know, maybe they found someone cheaper, but they have canceled and they have paid the cancellation fee. I had 3 people this year already cancel their services and they paid me my cancellation fee. So my cancellation fee, fam, is 25% of the remaining service that's left on the season. And yes, this is worth it. Now, have I had people to cancel and not pay it? Of course I have. But the point is the ones who did cancel and paid it. We got honest people out there that will follow the rules of your contract. Don't be afraid of putting new clients under contract. Now, I know some people have said to me in the past, it's the old clients that will give you the headache, which is true. They will give you the most headache. They don't like change. They want things to remain the same. But you, at least, once you fill your calendar up, man, go all the way with contracts and restrictions that you win because your calendar is already full. And what you find out, a lot of people will come on and fit your new customer service requirements, which you will probably lose or kick some other people off who ain't down with the plan. All right. The number 1 thing that made me more money this year, or is making me more money this year, is I no longer sell completion of jobs. I sell time. Let me explain that to you. Now, what I find out is that after a certain threshold of time, I find myself eating the cost. For example, I'm pretty good, and my guys are pretty good at being able to estimate up to 2 hours of work. Now, once it started getting into the 3 hour, 4 hours, 5 hours, it's kind of hard for us to estimate how long something's going to take. And the price is a lot. And let me tell you something. Anytime you tell a customer you're going to do something and you give them a price, they expect you to do it, even if they imagine it in their head. Okay? It needs to be in writing. So what I've done is no longer do I sell the completion of work. I literally sell the time my guys are out there. This has worked out tremendously. Believe me, fam, they will pay you based upon the time. Encourage, and I'm gonna encourage especially the solo people to raise your prices and to tell them, hey, I charge based upon the time. I can look and tell this is gonna take me more than an hour, so therefore I'm charging you based upon the time of the work. I always encourage other people, their clients or your customers. Hey, listen, I can do this in stages because this is a lot of time, and due to the fact that I can't set it beyond set amount of time, I will have to sell you time. Fam, there are ways to make more money in this business. What you need to do is sit down, brainstorm, put it in writing, and then sell it to your customers, sell it to your clients, especially when your calendar is full, because then you really brave. Beat that chest, because we want you to raise your prices this year, and we want you to go ahead and be able to grow. All right? Because at the end of the day, I can't cut all this grass by myself. Cut on Lawn Care Family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.